Kartel teach Alkaline how to create to be a controversial artist.
Yo, Vendetta boss, big up yourself, see.
But me want to say something. Alkaline learn a lot from the teacher. When me say learn a lot, Alkaline never did that in an interview. Alkaline never did that in a whole show. Alkaline was just off the grid. You see now Kartel forward back. Kartel teach Alkaline how to create to be a controversial artist. It a work for him.
So you feel like he might be controversial right now?
He is being controversial. Even in the interview, Alkaline knows say if him come and he say, mad thing. People are going to say, yo, Chris, and people.
Okay. So you say about intentionally do it.
Intentionally I do the things them when he knows say I go keep people attack.
Okay.
And he learned that from Adija, the teacher. We don't rate his style, but him contribute a lot to dancehall, and I have to respect that.
Of course, man do.